My name is Michelle from modernlymichelle.com, and if you are a lover of all things fashion, luxury, and lifestyle, then you are in the right place. Please be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Alright you guys, so if this is your first time tuning into one of my videos, hello, what's up? Welcome in. And if you are a returning viewer or subscriber, how you doing? So today I am super excited to share with you guys a piece that I got from Hermes. Y'all, let's just have a moment, okay? Your girl doesn't have, well, now I do, okay? But before this, your girl didn't have anything from Hermes. And I'm not gonna lie, Hermes was kind of like more of an intimidating brand to me. I didn't really think that there was gonna be much there for me. But after definitely kind of diving deep more into the brand, and of course, I mean, like, well, I'm sure there are people out there, but like, honestly, like, who doesn't want a Birkin or a Kelly, right? Especially if you're a handbag lover. So besides that, I just didn't really know much of what Hermes offered. But I was able to get this piece, and y'all, I'm sold. Okay, so anyway, let's just go ahead and jump into it. All right, so this was me trying to tie the bow back on, y'all, but I didn't do as good of a job as the essay did, obviously, right? But here is the box. Okay, so I'm going to take the bow off. So here is the packaging it comes in. So it does come in this pouch. And y'all, let's go ahead and take it out. Here is the bracelet. So I am going to show you guys close-up shots, of course, of the bracelet, but I'm hoping you're able to see it. Y'all, this is so gorgeous. This is the H-CLIC bracelet in the narrow size, and I got it in white, okay? I did get a matching piece for this bracelet, and I will be sharing the matching piece with you guys. But I knew I wanted to get it in white because I was just really envisioning like something, one, different than black, because I always kind of lean towards black, but like a really nice neutral to kind of get me started. Opening it, I'll show you a clip of me opening the bracelet as well. You do kind of have to squeeze it a little bit and then turn the H, and then it'll open right up, and you just put it on and then turn the, and then you put it on and then turn the H, and this is it here on my wrist. So I do have a baby wrist, okay? Like, my wrists are hella small, but this fits perfectly on my wrist. I don't know about you guys, if you have a narrow wrist as well. I hate when bracelets that I'm wearing are like sliding all over the place. I hate it. And this literally fits perfectly, y'all. It is just everything, okay? Like, I love it. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. Like I said, I did get the narrow size, and let me actually get the dimensions for you. So the circumference of this bracelet is 7 inches, and the width is 0.47 inches as well. Okay, so like I said, it does come in different sizes and a ton of different colors. So just to share with you guys, I also tried on the black, which I love. I tried the black one on the larger size, and it was just gorgeous, like beautiful statement piece. I also would love to get it in the Hermes orange. Oh my gosh. so pretty, especially for the summertime, with like a white, you know, crisp button down, some denim shorts or some denim jeans, and a cute heel, and that orange kind of like for the pop. So a few things about this bracelet that I've heard. So I did hear that this bracelet does scratch pretty easily. Okay, so that is something that worried me when it came to me making this decision, like for this purchase. But I decided that I was just going to go ahead and get it anyway because it was just too gorgeous for me to pass up. Someone would have to be really close for them to see the scratches, and other than that, it would just be me that's seeing it anyway. So I mean, to me, I was like, I'd rather just get it opposed to not getting it because of that. And then it's not something that I think I'm going to do, but it does come with a protective hardware stickers on top of it. I may, like, for the first few wears, just before I officially take it off, keep the protective sticker on it just to like feel a little bit more protected, but eventually I am going to take off the sticker, but it does come with it, at least initially. And also for this bracelet, they recommend that you don't get it wet, kind of avoid liquids and different things like that, and that's something I'm definitely going to do. If the jewelry is not fine jewelry, I don't like wear it all the time. I just put it on when I want to go out or something like that. but I don't like bathe in it or hop in the pool or anything like that. Or like if I'm even applying a fragrance or something, I would do that first before putting the jewelry on, just to protect the jewelry. So I definitely plan on not wearing this all the time, but putting it on only when I'm like done getting dressed and about to head out. So as I just said, this is not like technically fine jewelry, so they do recommend that you do kind of take a little bit better care of it. I plan on wearing it, going back to my other point as well, I just thought of this. I plan on wearing it on my left hand and not my right hand because I'm right-handed, so obviously this is my dominant hand, and it's probably gonna like hit more things or kind of be moved around more because I use this hand obviously more. So I plan on wearing it on my left hand, especially after I take off the protective sticker, just to try to help with maintaining just the character of the bracelet and not getting it super scratched up as soon as I wear it. Alright, so when it came to me actually purchasing this bracelet, I was able to easily get it from the Hermes store. I don't think this is something that's necessarily going to be like hard to find if you have a local Hermes, or even online. You can just go online and get it, or just go into the store and ask them and just try on the different sizes. Alright you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was pretty quick, but I just wanted to like really hop in because I was super excited, and I just wanted to show you guys my new H-CLIC bracelet. I love it. If you're thinking about getting it, I highly recommend, if you can, go into the Hermes store and try it on for yourself and see if you're in love with it, because it isn't cheap, so in terms of price, so you want to definitely like make sure that you like really love it. But for me personally, I love it. I think it's a great investment, something I'm gonna have for quite a while for sure, and I'm glad I did get it in the white just to get started. I already mentioned the other colors that I would love, but I'm glad that I at least got the white for now. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to let me know down below, and if you have the H-CLIC bracelet, if it's on your wish list, let me know. Like, I just want to talk to you guys and kind of hear what you guys think about it as well. If you have any feedback, you can also follow me on Instagram at Modernly Michelle. That's where I like go deeper into like style and different things like that. And then you can also visit my website, modernlymichelle.com. All right, you guys, if there's any other videos you want to see from me, please be sure to leave them down below, and I will see you guys next time. All right, bye y'all.